Hey everyone, welcome back to ComTechpedia. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop and enjoy a 14-day trial of all its features, no strings attached. First, head down to the video description and click the link. That'll take you straight to Adobe's official site where you can start your Animate free trial. Once you're there, click on Start Free Trial. For 14 days, you'll have access to Adobe's All Apps plan, which includes Animate and Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Illustrator, and more. Now it's time to pick a payment plan. If you want flexibility, go for the monthly option. You can cancel anytime before the trial ends. If you're planning to use Adobe Animate long term, the annual plan saves you more money per month. Next, log in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will ask for a payment method to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. Pro tip: set a reminder so you don't forget. Once you're signed in, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud app. After that, simply find Adobe Animate, hit install, and you'll be ready to start creating animations and interactive content right away. And that's it. You've got 2 full weeks to experiment with Adobe Animate and explore all the tools available. Completely free, no risk. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to ComTechpedia for more tutorials and tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and have fun animating with Adobe Animate.